Guys, welcome to my channel Attire Studio. My name is Aman and this is my first video for YouTube. Just to give you an insight about my channel, it's going to be all about beauty and fashion, tips, tricks, hacks, or everyday lifestyle things, okay? So yeah, for my first video, I decided it to be a DIY nail extensions. Now, as you can see, I have very short and terrible nails, and a lot of people out there have the same problem. So I do my nails at home, so they cost me only 15 rupees, like seriously only 15 bucks. So in this video, I'm going to give you the hack about my 15 rupee acrylic nail extensions. So without any further ado, here I begin. So basically this is a kind of my whole manicure kit. What you need for this project is the fake nails. Now these ones are the ones which you get at any cosmetic stores for like 10 rupees a pack, and they have 10 pieces of nails. Okay, now these are the 5 which I have sorted from the whole packet for the size of my nails, which would fit my cuticles. Then you need glue to stick them. I prefer fevicol because it's very instant, and this is the one which is available everywhere throughout the India. So yeah, I have this fevicol which I use instead of nail glues. Now the nail glues that come online are very expensive, and the one which you buy for the cheaper price do not stick to your nails. I mean, they fall off within a day or even a couple of hours if you put your hand under water. But fevicol ensures the adhesiveness and it sticks to your nails for like 10 days or more. And yeah, you need a nail filer, a nail clipper, nail cutter, and of course nail paints to later on decorate them. So yeah, so this is basically all you need. So to begin with, you just need to take the nail and you just need to put it on top of your cuticle like this, and then press it firmly so that it sticks to the place. So that look this way, it's all formed now. All you need to do is repeat the steps for the other fingers as well. So after gluing all of them, they might look something like this. If you're satisfied with the length, then it's okay. You can go on for like shaping them. But if you feel that these are too long for you, you can always clip them with the nail cutter. You can make them shorter. For me, I like this length, so I'm gonna go with this. Further, what you can do is file them according to the shape you want. Like you can go for almond shape, you can go for round, you can go for square nails, you can go for coffin. My personal favorite is the coffin shaped nail, the shape which is of this nail. So I'm gonna like file all of them for after shaping them, they look quite acceptable and they do not look like a witch nail. So yeah, the final part is to make like color them for the desired color you want. So now paint them with the different colors that you like. I like to paint them in like different color on each of my nail. You can go with the same colors or whatever color you want. And yeah, that would be the final look of your extensions. So after you finish painting all of them, they look somewhat like this. So yeah, this is the desired look. This is the final look of your nail extension, which costs you only 15 rupees. So yeah, that's all for today. I'm signing off. And please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Do support me, guys. So yeah, bye bye.